In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove someone from Snapchat shortcut. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app and then go to Chats. After that, just swipe down to show up that toolbar, and then at that toolbar you can find the 4 shortcuts created by Snapchat, and then you will find all the Snapchat shortcuts you have created manually. And then in order to remove someone from that shortcuts, all you have to do is just swipe to the left until you find that plus option. You can just tap on it, and what that will do, that will show you edit shortcuts option. Then you will be able to get into one of your created shortcuts just by hitting on that, and then you will be able to edit that shortcut. So if you want to remove someone from that shortcut, all you have to do is just uncheck mark that person, just like that. After that, also you will be able to add someone in the same way. Once you're done with that, hit add save. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.